Okra, amazing health benefits. In a world obsessed with kale, quinoa, and goji berries, one humble vegetable continues to fly under the radar. Its name? Okra. Also known as lady's finger in many parts of the world, okra has quietly held its place in kitchens from Africa to Asia for centuries. But beyond the surface lies a fascinating story of cultural history, powerful health benefits, and surprising uses you probably never imagined. So today, we're diving deep into the world of okra, where it comes from, what it does to your body, how to use it right, and what to be careful of. This is not just a vegetable. This is okra. History of okra. The story of okra begins in the heart of ancient Africa. Most historians believe that okra was first cultivated along the Nile Valley, in what is today known as Ethiopia or Sudan, as early as the 12th century BC. From there, it spread north into Egypt, and thanks to trade and migration, okra traveled with Arab merchants across the Middle East, into Persia, and eventually made its way to India and the rest of Southeast Asia. Its journey didn't stop there. During the transatlantic slave trade, enslaved Africans carried seeds with them to the Americas, giving birth to okra's role in Creole, Caribbean, and southern U.S. cuisines. In places like Louisiana, it became a key ingredient in gumbo. In India, it's called bindi and forms the heart of countless stir-fry dishes. In Japan, it's eaten raw or pickled. Okra isn't just food. It's culture, memory, and resilience in a pod. Top health benefits of okra. So, what makes okra a superfood? Let's break it down. Number 1. Rich in fiber. Okra is an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked okra contains around 4 grams of fiber. This helps regulate digestion, prevent constipation, and improve gut microbiome health. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. One of the most impressive benefits of okra lies in its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. The thick gel, known as mucilage, slows down sugar absorption in the intestines. Several studies in animal models suggest that okra may help reduce glucose spikes after meals. Number 3. Heart health booster. Okra's fiber helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while its antioxidant content fights off inflammation in the arteries. This makes it a heart-friendly food, especially for those managing hypertension or high cholesterol. Number 4. Anti-cancer properties. Okra contains a flavonoid called quercetin, along with vitamin A, C, and other polyphenol that act as antioxidants. These compounds combat oxidative stress, one of the key drivers of cellular aging and cancer risk. Number 5. Brain health support. The antioxidants and folate in okra may help protect cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 6. Immune system support. Vitamin C plays a central role in immune defense, and okra has plenty. Regular consumption can help boost your body's ability to ward off infections. Number 7. Rich in folate. Especially important for pregnant women, folate helps reduce the risk of neural tube defects in unborn children. Number 8. Weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, okra helps you feel full without packing on pounds, perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey. Number 9. Supports eye health. Okra contains vitamin A and lutein, which are known to protect vision and prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts by neutralizing free radicals in the eye. Number 10. Reduces risk of chronic disease. Its powerful mix of polyphenol, fiber, and flavonoids gives okra anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping reduce the risk of conditions like cancer, hypertension, and metabolic syndrome. Fascinating facts about okra. Now that we've covered the science, let's explore some weird and wonderful facts about okra. Okra seeds can be roasted and ground to make a caffeine-free coffee substitute. This practice dates back to the American Civil War, when coffee was in short supply. There are over 50 varieties of okra, some of which grow up to 12 inches long. The mucilage, the slimy stuff, is not just good for your gut. It's being studied for use in drug delivery systems and as a natural thickener in cosmetics. During World War II, okra fibers were even tested as an alternative to synthetic materials in parachutes and paper pulp. In some cultures, okra is used in traditional medicine to treat ulcers, inflammation, and sore throats. In parts of Nigeria and India, okra leaves are used in natural dyes. How to use okra. Okra is incredibly versatile, but you have to know how to handle it. Here are the most common and effective ways to use it. Number 1. Cooking methods to reduce slime. High heat. Roasting or sautéing okra at high heat helps dry out mucilage. Acidic ingredients. Adding vinegar, lemon juice, or tomatoes can reduce sliminess. Don't overstir. Stirring okra too much releases more mucilage. Number 2. In salads. In Japan and Korea, okra is lightly boiled and added to cold noodle salads. Some even eat it raw when it's young and tender. Number 3. Soups and stews. In African and Southern American cuisine, the mucilage is used purposefully to thicken soups like gumbo. Number 4. Pickled okra. A crunchy, tangy snack, especially popular in Southern U.S. cuisine. Number 5. Okra water. Steeping okra pods in water overnight is a traditional remedy for managing blood sugar. Though more research is needed, it remains popular in alternative health communities. Number 6. Flour and powder. Dried okra is ground into powder in some cultures and used to enrich soups and sauces. Cautions and side effects. As amazing as okra is, it's not perfect for everyone. Kidney stones. Okra is high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Blood thinners. Okra contains vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. Overconsumption risk. Eating excessive amounts, especially raw or pickled, can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort or bloating for some people. Allergies. Although rare, some people may experience an allergic reaction. Always test small amounts first if you're new to it. Okra is more than just a vegetable. It's a cultural icon, a nutritional powerhouse, and a scientific curiosity. From ancient African villages to modern research labs, from grandma's gumbo to trendy fusion restaurants, okra continues to surprise and nourish us. So the next time you see it at your local market, don't walk past. Pick it up. Try a new recipe. Experiment. Share it with your family. And maybe give this humble green pod the spotlight it truly deserves. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into everyday superfoods, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Liked what you learned about okra? Then you'll love our next deep dive on the best natural sources of vitamin D most people are missing. It's not just the sun, and you'll be surprised by what's on the list. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, the journey to better health starts with what you put on your plate.